Do you know what the sound Otters make? Ready for this?
In Shortclaw, just in general, he's a very old man, he's quite a big deal, and also very dramatic. He's usually squawking away when he wants his food. It's quite chilled out today, it has been raining, kind of puts him on a downer. But usually he's all over the place, screaming for his food, got a massive appetite on him. They eat about a third of their body weight on a daily basis, basically the equivalent of a 10-stone man eating 70 Big Macs. So they can pack away the food. Erik especially, Pumpkin not as much, we usually feed Pumpkin first, otherwise Erik tries to run off with everything. Now when I feed them, what we're going to feed them, we feed them white meat, it's a whiting, it's a type of fish, really good for them, good for their bones. We give them red meat, and then we give them day-old chicks. The chicks come from a local hen farm, they're male chicks, they don't need them, they kill them, we take them off their hands. If we didn't, they'd incinerate them, it would be complete waste product. These guys eat every little bit of it, they don't waste anything. Pumpkin just run off up there. Now when they eat, Pumpkin usually sits right here against the glass, sits on the bump, back legs, the front legs go up, and then rest it against there. It's why it's so dirty. We clean it, give it a week, it's back to looking like that. Erik has a tendency to eat here, and then with the chicks, he runs off and goes and sits on that and drop it in front of him.
Which one's Erik again? This one?
Yeah, just the big one at the front there.
Hey, mate.
There you go, you gonna have your meat, Erik? Yeah, Erik's having his meat as well. Apparently they're not a fan of the fish today, so we'll scatter a bit of that around for later on. They will find it and they'll eat it. There you go, do you want to get another bit of meat? And then when they're done, drop it down to Pumpkin.
Yep.
So when she's finished, they are quite messy eaters, they open their mouths very wide, they do tend to look you in the eye while they're doing it as well. So they don't have the greatest manners. I'm going to give that bit to Erik when he's finished his food. He's been very slow today, Erik, and he's quite chilled out. Erik is not a fan of the rain, it puts him in a bad mood, he calms down, he usually goes to bed. Hopefully it might rain again, but hopefully not. Oh, you want your fish now, do you? There we go.
So this habitat here, how many would be reasonably to live here? Is it just a maximum of 2 for this kind of area?
I think they can have a couple more.
Yeah.
Probably 3 or 4, but they have a little nest box at the back, so we could probably put another one in.
Yeah.
But go and try and give that bit of fish to him, see if he wants that. If not, we'll give him some more meat. You gonna have your fish, Erik? There you go. No, you don't want it. Try a bit of meat with him. Erik's been extra fussy today.
Seeing that he's there, the other one hasn't tried nicking it. Erik, again, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do that to Erik and then give it to Pumpkin. Actually, throw it to Pumpkin, she's finished.
Yeah.
Give that to Pumpkin.
There we go.
And then give that bit to Erik and he pops back up.
Do they ever climb up against the window? Like, they try and reach it out of your hand, or?
They get close, but they're not going to reach it, so. And then this bit will go to, give that to Pumpkin because she's finished again, and I'll drop Erik in. There you go. They do stand up, they're very good balance. Pumpkin especially, I've seen them before, she'll stand up on that really point of that rock and stand right up. I think it's why people have mistaken her for a meerkat before. I've also had people think they're giant rats or a type of dog, but they're definitely Asian short-claw otters. You can actually adopt your growing Pumpkin as well. You do that at the gift shop. They'll tell you all about it. You get a nice soft cuddly toy. You don't get to take them home, I'm afraid. If I was going to take one, I would take Pumpkin. Erik's a nightmare. Pumpkin's awesome. She's really quiet, nice and chilled out. You want to drop a bit to Erik? He's apparently getting very hungry. Yeah, Pumpkin's really friendly, really nice. Erik's also got a nasty bite on him. Pumpkin does as well, but she doesn't use it as much. Erik doesn't like brushes as well either. So, and when we clean this out, he goes mental at the brushes. He's attacking them, he's jumping at them. He's just not a fan.
Pumpkin?
Yeah, give that bit to Pumpkin. And then we'll give this bit to Erik after. Yes, you do that at the gift shop, you adopt them, it really helps them out. The money goes straight to them, and the other sea lions, basically looking after the hair Asian short-claw otters.
How much is it, too?
I'm not sure the price, but you can do it at the gift shop, Erik or Pumpkin, either one, or both. You get a soft cuddly toy, you get an information pack, you get updates throughout the year on how they're doing, and you get an annual pass to Sea Life. So now we're going to move on to their main course, which is their chicks. So I'm going to get it by the foot and then just drop it to Pumpkin. Basically just give it to her, she'll at it, she'll find it. Give it, there you go. And we'll drop Erik's down to him as well. Just drop it down and he'll get it.
There you go.
There you go, Erik. And the last thing we'll give them once they're finished, we'll give them a couple of nuts. It's good for their fur, really healthy. Yeah, they do wash it off. I'm not sure if it's because we freeze them or what, but they always dip them in there. It's mainly the chicks they do it with. The meat, they're not so bothered. The
So
chicks,
are they fed chicks for breakfast as well?
yeah, they are fed chicks for breakfast. They have 2 chicks for breakfast each. They have 1 after meal fat. They have very fast metabolism. Don't want to feed them too much. Erik could happily eat all his food like for the day in one go if he could. He's done it before. Someone fed him by mistake his entire day's food and he ate it. Every single bit of it. So he has a big old appetite. They do, they love their food. They make out they're starving, but they're not. Erik especially, he'll sit against the glass, he'll bring out his puppy dog eyes, he'll pour at it, and then people think, oh, they're not feeding him. He eats so much food.
What's the Michael Pumpkin's fur there?
It's just it's a bit wet.
Oh, okay.
It's the same as Erik's, it's been a little bit wet.
Yeah.
It's been raining, they've been rolling around. Pumpkin's been rolling around in the grass. So, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me. There is another talk and feed in about just over 15 minutes time. It's rounded at seals. It's a really good one. We've got a new seal in there, Pendle. He's now eating his food. He's a bit fussy the first few days, but he's fitting in. He's always out the water at the minute as well. He's at the back. He's a little bit younger, he's a little bit slimmer. I'll tell you all about him.
Who's in the rescue one?
There is a rescue one in there as well.
Yeah.
That is, we have Wallace in there, and then we have the habanero in the little pool. So when they're finished, we want to give them a nut each. So give that one first. So wait for Pumpkin to almost done. We've got that down to Pumpkin. I think it's just where it's wet.
What's the nut for?
The nut's basically dessert. It's the last bit of the meal. Basically good for their fur as well.
Yeah.
See, with the nuts, Erik's not as fussy. Pumpkin will break them up and eat them outside. Erik will eat everything, even the shell. He usually hoovers up Pumpkin's left up. You want to throw the nut to Pumpkin?
Cool.
Find it. Erik can be a little bit blind sometimes. He sometimes misses his nut. Pumpkin, it's right in front of you.
Good nuts.
Look, there, there's 2. Yeah, she knows what she's
Yeah,
doing.
yeah.
She's being a bit greedy.
Trying to hide now for a third.
Yeah. Okay, so Pumpkin will occasionally just spit out the shell, eat the main nut. Erik will eat all of it. He's not fussed.
How often do you have to clean them out?
A full clean now, I think once a month or so, same as our animals. It's not too bad. You kind of like self-clean a little bit. But we do have the display team. We'll go in, look after them, make sure they're okay. Clean the rocks off as well.
This is a checklist every morning.
Hopefully we'll finish in the feed in a minute because it's a bit wet.
Yeah.
So he's got to probably run back inside. You're welcome. Have a good day, guys. Yeah, for an animal that's really waterproof, they're not fans of the rain, these two.
Yeah.
They're a little bit pampered. And give them that nut as well. Drop that.
Oh,
There you
oh.
go. You'll get
On your
it.
head.
Pumpkin, if not, I'll get it in a minute. One of them will have that nut. They eat everything, even the fish that throw them around, they will find it, they will eat it. If you don't want to get too wet, you can go on.
Fine.
Sure. You want to go like a couple more nuts each anyway. So that one over there.
Yeah. Might as well head off. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome, man.